Here's the end times of Saturn right here. 2008 Saturn Astra. Ecotech. Timing belt Ecotech. This isn't a real Ecotech. They call it an Ecotech, but I suppose it's a real Ecotech because it says Ecotech. But it's not a GM Ecotech because this is specific to an Astra. Anyways, the guy's driving down the road and he says, yeah, it was making a funny noise, and he kept driving it and it got louder, and he kept driving it some more and it got even louder, and then it started running bad, and then he had to pull over because it wouldn't run, and then he let it sit for a little while, and then it ran, but it was loud and it ran like crap, and he didn't know why, and he drove it off the freeway and parked it and called me. And this was sitting right here. This is the cover. It goes here. Like that. So, this coil's all popped up on this side. I get to find out why. Unplug the coil. Break out the Torx. This is all Torx and reverse Torx because it's a Saab. It's Swedish or German or American, German, Swedish. It's definitely not GM. It says it's GM, but I don't know what GM means anymore. These guys went out of business with Saab because they were in bed together, and, well, they didn't know what the heck they were doing. There's a lot of stuff on here that's marked Man Plus Hummel, which is a manufacturer. They're still in business, but Saab and Saturn aren't anymore. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's interesting. Oh! Wow. I think it's got a broken coil. It's got pieces of plastic and rubber and plastic, and oh, that's the coil. Huh. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, what's this? More of the coil. Spark plug's totally out of the boss. There's no porcelain on the top. There's nothing in the middle. Well, there's some stuff in there, and it's kind of loose and it's stuck in there. Wow. There's no threads down in there. The boss is all chewed up. The crown of the piston's all beat to hell. So, yeah, that spark plug will never seal because that boss is all messed up. I'd have to take this cylinder head off. I'm pretty sure it's not going to hold compression. I could try to helicoil it, but if I do, it's probably going to get bad compression because all them pieces get stuck in between the valve and the seat and get hammered all to nothing, so it's probably got low compression. And I would have to take this off just to get that boss machined so the spark plug seals again. Gee, I don't think I'm going to be doing anything with this car. I'm going to tell the guy to junk it. There's really not much left of the car. I mean, it's a 2008, but it's a Saturn Astra, and they're, well, it's dented and it's not in the greatest shape. So I don't know. To be continued, maybe, maybe not. I say junk it. It's some German crap. Anyways, it looks German. It's Dutch or Swedish or it's a conglomerate. It's conglomerate junk. I'm gonna see if this thing runs just for fun. See if it smokes up my garage and gets me asphyxiated. I put it all back together. I haven't even heard this run yet. This should be interesting. Well, that's pretty cool. It's a manual transmission. I suppose I could drive it somehow. Sounds like a Model T. Okay, bye.